Hello, this is Pandora from Heal My Soul. We are going to be working through the balancing of the crown chakra, the seventh chakra, which is placed at the top of your head. And it can be a beautiful white or a beautiful lavender. Wherever your mind goes is where it will sit. And when this is balanced and when this is open, then you will receive the connection with the intuition, so powerful, and feel that inner peace and allow yourself to be guided and feel okay with that. Now, some people say to stop from opening the crown chakra, but when we say open, we're just balancing that chakra, and when it's opening, it's only opening for the intuition and feeling at peace and letting it guide us, through ourselves and our spirits. So get yourself nice and comfortable, make sure everything's uncrossed, make sure your spine is in alignment, and you have a space where there is no interruptions. And just shutting down your eyes and taking a nice deep breath in and letting everything go. Taking another nice deep breath in and letting even more go. This is time for you, the most important person. Time for you to connect. Time for you to bring yourself back into peace and balance. I just want you to picture a beautiful flashlight shining in your heart space as it starts to rotate clockwise, spinning at the speed of light. Imagine it going down your body and goes down through your stomach, going down through your legs, and going all the way through the base of your feet, like roots growing out of your feet. And imagining those roots going through the dirt, going deeper and deeper as they hit the core of Mother Earth. Now bring up that beautiful energy of Mother Earth and bring it up through your feet. As you imagine it traveling through your legs and right through the center of your body, it aligns every chakra, going through your root chakra, going through the sacral chakra, going through the solar plexus, going through your heart, going through your throat, going through your third eye, and exiting out through your crown chakra into a beautiful ball of white light. Now place yourself into that beautiful ball of white light. As you travel higher and higher, going up past the universe, going higher and higher, going through some beautiful white lights, going through some more beautiful white lights, going through some more beautiful white lights, lots of beautiful white lights, just traveling higher and higher. As you go through the golden light, just drifting higher and higher, going through all the colors of the rainbow, going through a beautiful pink misty cloud, light and fluffy. And as you look up, you see a beautiful beam of white light, and it's beaming down on you like the rays of the sun. You can feel that energy. You can see that brightness and that warmth. And you're just getting drawn closer and closer, like a magnet getting drawn closer and closer, going higher and higher. Until now you're completely surrounded by this essence of this beautiful white light in the seventh plane, where the creator of all that is. You're floating around there, And as you take a deep breath in, and on your breath out, you're dissolving that ball of white light and becoming connected with the creator of all that is, becoming one with that unconditional love. And just tuning into a normal breath, tuning into your heart space. As when you breathe in, you center it to your heart. And when you breathe out, you send it to every cell in your body, the essence of the creator of all that is. And do I have permission to work with you? And all you need to do is say yes to receive this healing out loud as the vibration is received. Now I'm just wanting you to go into the crown chakra. And I'm wanting you to imagine this beautiful white light as it pours out of your crown chakra, or a lavender. And as you're tuning into this, you're tuning into your intuition. You're letting go of any negative, of any ego, just pouring out of your crown chakra and floating up to that 7th plane to be cleansed. And just picturing that beautiful lavender floating through every chakra, balancing it all together, coming down through the 3rd eye, coming down through your throat, coming down through the essence of the heart, coming down through the solar plexus, coming down through the sacral, coming down through the root, and connecting it all the way down to where you stand on Mother Earth. Now, as you come up, I want you to imagine a beautiful white light traveling up from your feet. And creator of all that is, it is commanded that remove anything that is not serving you in the highest and best way. Thank you, it is done, it is done, it is done, show me. So just going through your body and shifting anything that's not serving you through your feet, through your legs, through your stomach, through your heart, through your ribs, through your thoracic, through your throat, through the back of your shoulders and the back of your neck, and right out through your crown chakra as you just watch it leave, float up like a helium balloon, just disappear into the creator's light, the 7th plane, to be cleansed, never to be returned again. That's it. Just feeling that beautiful balancing of that energy, just leaving. Just tapping into your beautiful crown chakra. Just feeling that energy. Noticing the messages. Noticing the direction. Trusting the creator of all that is. To do some beautiful downloads. Creator of all that is. It's commanded that you receive everything that is happening right now. Your eyes are open in the crown chakra. You trust the divine, you trust the path, and you know what is right. Just say yes in the highest and best way to receive this. Would you like to know what it feels like and know that you do live each day, knowing that you are trusting the messages that are coming through your gut, through your 3rd eye, through the energy of the crown chakra. Would you like to know what it feels? Just say yes to receive that. Would you like to know what it feels like and know that you do live each day with that sense of enjoyment of that inner peace? Just say yes to receive that. Feeling that beautiful essence coming into every cell in your body. Taking a deep breath in Thank you, Creator, for this beautiful healing in everyone in this energy space, in this vortex of energy. As we trust, we feel blessed, and we know that we're on the right path. Now just imagine yourself on a beautiful white feather as you start to drift down from side to side, coming down through the beautiful pink misty cloud, coming all the way down through the colors of the rainbow, coming down through the beautiful golden light, coming down through the white lights. 3, 2, 1. Coming all the way down through your crown chakra, connecting yourself with every cell in your body with the new beautiful downloads, resources, and programs, all connected in the subconscious mind as you stand and dance on Mother Earth, feeling that blessing and that inner peace. Now ground yourself and picture yourself under a beautiful waterfall as you're coming back down to earth, coming back down into your space, with that waterfall splashing all the way over your face and through your body and your legs and your feet, as it grounds and purifies and cleanses you, and puts an amazing bubble of protection with unconditional love connected in it. Now bring up that beautiful energy of Mother Earth, bring it up through your feet, your legs, and place it in your heart space with your right hand on your heart. And just bring in that beautiful energy of inner peace and captivate the message that you need to receive and hear or see or feel. And when you're ready, come back to now and open your eyes. Zip up, disconnect, wiggle the body, take a beautiful drink. Well done. You have just gone through the 7 chakras, and now there are 2 bonus ones that you can listen to with all the chakras in there, balancing them all together. And this process, should you choose to do it every day, you will just feel that inner peace and that amazing, and you will see more and you'll be guided more on your path and your journey and what is right for you, and everything that's negative and cluttered and anxiety will just start shifting away and just leaving your body, and you'll start to learn how to have that space of inner peace all the time. So well done. Take care. Many, many, many blessings, many, many thanks. And I'll see you on the flip side. I'll see you around. Thank you. Bye.